Hello there, mathletes. Welcome back to Math Jamboree. In this video, we have another AP Precalculus type of a question from the topic of exponential function. Let's solve it together. The exponential function f of x equals a times b to the power of x, where a and b are positive constants, is defined. The table shows values of f of x as selected values of x. Which of the following statements is true? X values are 0 through 4, so as x values are increasing, and the y values are 100 till 6.25. So as the x values are increasing, the y values are decreasing. So it's not a growth, this must be a decay function. So then the answer either A or C. So we'll find the values of A by using the first given data. F0 is a times b to the power of 0 is given as 100. So a times 100. So a is 100. 100 here. So for the b, we will use the second data, f1. So 100 times b to the power of 1 is 50. Oops, I said 50 but wrote 500. Divide both sides by 100. You will get b as 50 over 100, which is 1 over 2 if you will simplify it. So the b is between 0 and 1, and therefore the correct answer is choice A for this specific question. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you and see you next time. Bye-bye.